Well, we got this car to swap meet, and we just said, hey, will you take $3,500? They had $6,000 on it or something, and they took it. And so it had a lot of miles on it, but Mason lowered it, chromed the wheels. The inside is really nice. Got that cool gauge. Car is really nice and clean. A few dings, but the motor's tired, and so we are gonna do, Mason,
Hey,
and myself, we're gonna do an engine rebuild. Yep, an engine rebuild. Today is what? June 22nd. Pop the hood, will you? We're gonna do a before and after. Here's before. She's tired.
208,000 miles.
208,000 miles. So the motor is really shaking really bad, and we really think that could be some of it, because it's got.
It is a power loss thing, probably.
It's got a ZZP
Intercooler.
and some add-ons. Cold air intake, ZZP coilovers. But we're going to take pictures of everything, really good, and
Label everything.
yep, and label all the harness, and take it out. I think we're gonna have to take out the radiator and everything. It might be easier to get the engine out. Well, here's before, and we're gonna park it right here after the boat.
Before
the summer.
Before the fun.
All right, video number 1.